What's going on, everybody? This your man Devin, that dude. Hey, I'm gonna show you how I use ChatGPT to create videos, how-to videos, any kind of videos, anything you could think of. ChatGPT is really making AI like you don't have to do anything really. So just gonna show y'all what I've been working on, how to monetize my YouTube channel. You can use this for uh, making books. I'm just gonna show you a book idea. Uh, Actually, I don't have it. I did it on my phone, so I don't have that one, but it's real. You can create songs, even though it's whack. But nope, actually, there's the book right there. So I use ChatGPT to create a 4,500 word children's book about a friendly dragon, and it wrote the entire story for me. And I added 2,000 more words to the story after it ended the story. Now, what you can do with that is use another website to create an ebook and sell your ebook online. I did it for a song, 3-minute hip hop song with 2 choruses and 3 verses, even though it's a whack song. But as you can see, ChatGPT does a lot. But getting to why you're here, basically, I asked ChatGPT to um, I asked it what are the top 10 how-to videos on YouTube. Obviously, it doesn't have access to YouTube statistics, but it came up with 10 other ideas uh, of popular searches for YouTube how-to videos. And I picked the first one, how to tie a tie. And I asked it to explain or give me the steps to tie a Windsor knot in a tie. So once it spits out all the information, you copy this information over to Pictory. Now with Pictory, Pictory is a website where you enter text. Actually, let me go back to it so you can see it. So you can enter text uh, and it creates its own video. It's like how do you say it? They're pre-made videos. It pretty much figures out uh, what your script is talking about, and it sets video clips or tries to set video clips to your script. Articles to video, edit videos using text, visuals to video. So this is what I came up with um, for Windsor tie. I'll just play it for you really quick. Stock, stock videos, stock music, just pick templates and just work for you. I won't bore you with the entire video, but that's some of it. Now, what you do with that video is download it, and now you upload that video to your YouTube channel. Now you monetize your YouTube channel by signing up for affiliate websites. Amazon is the best one. Amazon Associates. Now with Amazon Associates, what you do, well, what I'm going to do with the how-to video, it's going to drive traffic to my how-to video. with my how-to video, I'm going to link it to um, my Amazon store about ties, to where when someone clicks on the link and wants to know more information about ties, how to tie a Windsor knot, any kind of tie really, it's going to bring them to Amazon. With Amazon, they pick whatever they want to. Now, with Amazon, you get paid a certain percentage or a certain amount of all purchase. That's when they click on the link and they purchase something in that session using your link, you're going to get paid for everything in that cart. So no matter if they buy one tie, if they buy something for their dog, anytime they click that link and it goes to your Amazon site, you're going to get paid for it. So that's what I'm going to do with that video. Once it's done generating, I'm going to upload it to YouTube. And then my second thing that I'm going to do, I have another YouTube channel. So that's going to be the how to tie a Windsor knot. Now, I also have a review channel. So not only am I going to be doing the videos on how to tie a tie, but I'm also going to be doing videos on the review of certain ties. So then I'm going to use the Chat GPT to write a review about uh, any kind of tie, name brand tie. I'm not going to use the name. So, but I'm going to write a review on that tie, upload that video here. Then it's going to get a link to a specific tie that I'm going to tie into this YouTube channel and this YouTube post once that video is done. So that's basically what all I use ChatGPT for. A friend of mine used it to create artwork that I'm gonna hang up in my house. Another cool feature, vidIQ. You have to sign up for them, but they give you all kinds of insight, keywords. Um, they pretty much help you with more ideas for YouTube videos, top ranking video ideas. You just type in your keyword and it looks for any YouTube videos. You have to pay for it if you're going for more than 3. Uh, Hashtags, all kinds of stuff, man. It gives you your competitors' keywords, anything that people may be looking up. So let me see, go back to keywords. So those are the 3 keywords without paying for it. Unrecord, I believe that's a video game. Blackpink at Coachella. John Pork, not sure what that is, but it gives you the score and how probable the search volume is. The competition is very high for Blackpink. Gives you some matching terms, the overall scores on those, and the top trending videos for that keyword. So, yeah, man, that's how you're gonna monetize your YouTube channel using AI. All right, catch you on the next video.